So back in 2011, Google came out with this Google Freshness update where they actually came out and said that if you update your content and it's fresh, you'll get rewarded in terms of rankings. And I'll make sure that I link to that in the description here. So if you're a lawyer, how does this impact you? You have a page that's about getting into a car accident and the page was published 6 years ago. Should you go update that page? I would say yes, because Google has a cache date of when that page was published. And the older that the page gets, you gain more authority because you get links and stuff to it. But Google also recognizes that that page was published 6 years ago. Laws might have changed, regulations might have changed, who knows? You should be reading that content from your own perspective because there might be things that you want to update on that page. And so once you do that, then maybe you're satisfying the intent of that particular search a little bit better, which might make you rank a little bit higher. And then you might also get the benefit of this freshness update. So in terms of a lawyer paying attention to this, I would say absolutely yes.